Hi guys, welcome to our video notes. 4.2, probability rules of compound events. So two events are considered to be independent if the occurrence or non-occurrence of one event does not change the probability that the other event will occur. So for independent events, the multiplication rule for finding the probability that A and B will both happen is just the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. However, if the events are dependent, then we must take into account the changes in the probability of one event that can be caused by the other event. So here are some new vocabulary words. Probability of A given B is written as probability of A slash B. So that is A given that B has already happened. If probability of A is not the same as the probability of A given that B has already happened, then we know that they are dependent on one another. So therefore, multiplication rule for dependent variables is very similar. Probability of A and B is the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B given that A has already happened, or the probability of B multiplied by the probability of A given that B has already happened. And we can manipulate this equation around to solve for the probability of A given that B has already happened if we know the probability of A and B and the probability of B. So these are some formulas we will be using this section.